Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth. This is the February box plus the big bonus box, which you get twice a year. And they changed the box. This is really cute. I like the packaging. So on the left I have the recipe box for February, and then here's some of the big bonus items on the right. Have some beeswax, coconut oil, huge container of that. Another coconut oil, this is a liquid form, and almond oil. So those are the bonus items. And let's get this box out. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, this is a great design for this box. Here's all the little rollers and all the bottles that you need as well for all the recipes. That's really, really cool. Great packaging idea. So let's take a look. Ooh, I like those little bottles. They even changed the inside of here, but very cool. Trying to find my recipes, they're there. Oops. So let's look at the recipes first. We have a mermaid mud mask. Sounds fun. A note from Kate. So if the recipe doesn't continue on the back of the card, there's different things back there. So there's always a note from Kate, and it'll tell you different facts about the company. I Lava You diffuser blend. That's cute. And on the back of that one, it's a sneak peek for next month. A Beauty Within blend, tea tree, some other things you'll need. Daydream roll-on. 50% off your next box. I do have a promo code with a gift card too, so all my discounts are in the description box below. Then we have a Detox Dry Scrub. These are the oils that are in this month's box. This is my favorite card that comes in here because it tells you the uses, the general safety, and some information about your extras. Happy Day Body Spray. This one lets you know that 13% of the proceeds go to a human trafficking charity, which is really awesome that they do that. And the last recipe, Hope for Tomorrow roll-on. If you have any questions, I do have a blog and a Facebook group. So let's take a look. Here's the stickers that you get for your products. When you're done, you can label them all. Sea clay for a few of the recipes. And I'm in love with these bottles. How cute is that? Those are adorable. So anything that doesn't come in the bonus box that you might need would come in the recipe box. And then these were really nicely organized, and then I tried to lift it up and they popped out. So let's grab them. We have basil, Happy Joy, which is a blend of geranium, sweet orange, grapefruit, and ylang ylang essential oils. Geranium essential oil. And last we have Lava, which has grapefruit, blood orange, hoe wood, and sandalwood essential oils. Very cool. So if you guys would like to subscribe to Simply Earth, it's a really fun subscription box. I have a promo code below, and then I also have a playlist if you want to see past boxes as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.